Hello there, this is PrestigeStyleHub, your go-to source for all things fashion. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the denim trends that'll be making waves in 2024. So, buckle up as we dive into the denim universe of 2024. In 2024, denim is not just a fabric, it's a fashion statement. Its versatility and timeless appeal have been reimagined into some of the top trends of the year. Let's dive into the details. First up, we have the wide-leg jeans. This year, it's all about comfort meeting style. With a relaxed fit that flares out from the waist, wide-leg jeans are the perfect blend of retro and modern fashion. They offer a refreshing break from the skinny jeans era, providing ample room to move and groove. Next on the list is patchwork denim. This trend is a nod to the 70s with a contemporary twist. Patchwork denim is a creative and vibrant way to express individual style. It's all about mixing different shades, textures, and patterns of denim to create a one-of-a-kind piece. Truly, it's denim's answer to the modern art movement. Lastly, we have colored denim. Gone are the days when denim was just blue or black. In 2024, we're seeing a rainbow of denim hues from pastel pinks to vibrant greens. Colored denim is a fun way to infuse personality and color into everyday outfits. It's a bold choice for those who dare to stand out from the crowd. So whether you're a fan of the wide-leg jeans, the artistic patchwork, or the daring colored denim, there's a denim trend for everyone in 2024. But remember, fashion is more than just following trends. Trends come and go, but denim is forever. Remember, the best trend is always comfort and confidence in your own skin. That's a wrap on the denim trends of 2024. We've explored high-rise jeans, wide-leg cuts, and even denim accessories. Personalize these trends and let your style shine. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and do subscribe to Prestige Style Hub for more fashion updates. Until next time, stay stylish.